can only do so many calls a day, right? And so, so we have our podcast, the Shatterproof Entrepreneur. I come on podcasts like this, and then I'm on stages, and then we've got the book, The Shatterproof Entrepreneur, that you can get on Amazon. It just walks you through how to build a shatterproof business, become a construction champion. It's step by step. Here's the phases you go through. Don't skip any steps. Michael Gerber's book, The E-Myth Revisited, kind of started me on my entrepreneurial journey, where I kind of turned from lawyer professional to business owner. And he talks about, most of us have these entrepreneurial seizures, and then we start these businesses. And when you do that, you skip steps. You just do. And so take the time, take a pause, go back, and now let's fix this stuff that you've skipped over before it's too late. Something like 120 million lawsuits are filed every year in the US. So it's like we said, when's it going to happen to you? And are you ready? Because like 65% of those are business related. They're all about contract disputes. And if you're building anything, you better have contracts. So you're part of that statistic. So just get ready.
Amen to that. Like if you're doing work on a handshake still these days, I love that that's what you want to do, but it's not the time to be doing it that way. That's just
No.
not. It's one of the first ways to get yourself in trouble. That you shouldn't be swinging a hammer or doing anything until there's some kind of formal agreement that's signed by all parties and some money has changed hands.